John O'Meara worries that his recordings may soon be the only way to listen to the Munsee Delaware language being spoken. He expects that a. The few speakers fluent in Munsee Delaware will stop talking to outsiders. B. The language will adapt to linguistic trends of the 21st century. C. No one will remain interested in listening to the Munsee Delaware language. Or D. The few speakers fluent in Munsee Delaware will die. We see in the first paragraph that today only a handful of people are fluent in this language. The paragraph goes on to say that Richard Snake, the youngest speaker fluent in Munsee Delaware, is in his early 60s. Although not stated explicitly by the passage, one can infer that if the youngest native speaker is in his 60s, the language is not being passed down to the younger generations. And it is likely that after he passes away, the only way to hear this language being spoken will be, as O'Meara fears, through recordings. Based on this information, we can head down to our choices and select D, the few speakers fluent in Munsee Delaware will die, as our final answer.